So if you are trying to exchange the products, here's what you need to know. You have to remember you are not finding the right option to exchange product because Savana doesn't offer direct exchanges for size or color. Our changes to that is okay. But you can return item within 10 days of delivery. So, for example, if you are this one for the wrong size product, you can return it, but they don't have any option to exchange. Also, you scroll down, you'll see the return option. There's a 7 day to be returned with pickup, right? But there's no exchange. You can return it and reorder the right size on a delivery. Now, to start your return, just email at this address, support at form and with your order ID and why you were getting. Since most of the popular products are closed, obviously you would like to get a flat so they have a easy return policy with people as well. And for need to pay delivery fees. Once your return reaches their warehouse, they will refund the money to your origin payment method or change give you the right status. Many users confirm this and there is no exchange button, but the workout is return the product, get the refund, and then pay on it. So keep that in mind. And if your item doesn't qualify in this method, email the support team their videos about it. And that is how you can exchange it.